Aiper Seagull Pro troubleshooting common issues. Even the best gadgets can have problems. The Aiper Seagull Pro is no different. Here are some common issues you might face. We will also provide solutions to help you out. The battery is a crucial part of the Aiper Seagull Pro. Sometimes you might face battery issues. Let's look at some common problems and their solutions. Battery not charging. Ensure the charger is properly connected. Check the power outlet. Clean the charging contacts. Short battery life. Reduce the pool cleaner's usage time. Charge the battery fully before use. Replace the battery if it's old. Connectivity is key for the Aiper Seagull Pro. Problems here can disrupt your cleaning routine. Let's find out how to fix them. Bluetooth not connecting. Ensure your device is close to the cleaner. Restart both devices. Check for software updates. App not responding. Close and reopen the app. Check your internet connection. Reinstall the app if necessary.
If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.